Hi, my name's Kip and I'm here on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this clip we're going to take the dough that has now doubled in size through its rising stage and punch it down and roll it out. Now if you remember, we took and put a moist, hot towel over our dough before we stuck it into the oven that we had also slightly warmed for it to double in size. And now you can see that our dough is definitely at least twice the size that it was when it went in. And we actually did this 2 times. It rose once, and we punched it down, which means we just squished it up again, and then we let it rise one more time. You don't have to do the second rise, but I prefer to. I think it makes a better roll overall. Now, if you're not sure that it's risen to the proper point, as I had mentioned before, if you just take your finger and poke into it and it doesn't rebound, then you know that it has risen quite a bit, that there's a lot of air in here. And so the next thing that we need to do is just go ahead and punch it down, pushing the air back out of it like this. Now, we're going to have to roll it out